Sa jeep.
Oh. Huwag na yun. Iba naman.
Wait lang, wag.
Glowing inside.
Wait, papunas naman ito.
I should've loved her.
Ano oras tayo nag-start?
Let you know.
Parang papunas naman ito.
Thank you.
Wala pa.
3:15.
So what's gonna happen tonight, you guys? We're gonna have the expulsion night with the kids, right? When the kids leave, that's when we surprise her. We're gonna surprise her with songs. Alright? It's up to us. What else do you guys think is cool to surprise her? Yeah, what else do you think
Lagay ka ng kalahati dito.
3:15 na eh.
Lagay ka kalahati.
Yun sinundan ko. Mali
As a
yan,
girl,
diba?
what would you like as a surprise?
Boy, lagay ka ng
Can
kalahati
we make her
dito.
like
Wait.
So,
What do you make her?
Tapos mamaya durugin mo na to.
ang baho talaga!
Ano mabaho?
Why is it? So let's make her a card. Can we make her a card? Like this? Can we ask for materials like this? Let's make her a card from all of us, the top 7.
Kayo na lang. Card mo na lang, Sen.
From all of us naman.
Card mo na lang, Sen.
Kayo talaga.
Kalahati lang.
She'd appreciate it from all of us.
No!
Pwede magpa-request ng materials for a card.
Ito na ako.
Like this.
Marami doon sa may ano ko. Cabinet.
Huwag mo na yung
Yeah, like that?
buksan.
Cabinet ko madami.
Ito sa buko.
Heck! You ruined my day.
You're in my day.
Nun kumukulot na konti.
Oh.
Every single every day.
Chris, saan?
1/2 cup granulated sugar. Ano yun ang granulated? Okay, ganun na yun.
Tignan mo, parang marami pa rin
Chris!
talagang split ends mo.
Meron pa rin. Ay, ako rin.
Uy, what?
Tingnan mo to, ganito yung sa'yo.
Surprise her. I'm thinking,
Ay, hindi. Umapagsak siya. Oh my God.
what can we make for dinner also?
Yeah.
Baka she might want to eat with us.
Nagkaano naman yung buhok ko na.
Happy. So that's you know.
Yung ano ko.
We have to start on this because we have to do something.
Uy, birthday ng manager natin kahapon, di ba?
Manager? Which one?
Si Miss Mile.
Oh, was it her birthday yesterday? You know? Ikaw na lang.
Sino si?
Miss Bilit.
Ay, nakita ko siya kahapon.
Birthday
Parang
niya.
nakakita ng multo.
Melted butter. Van, paki-melt. Overload heat.
Oh.
Melt na melt? Melt na lang, oh.
Inaantay ko yun. 3:15 pa yun. Kailangan lang mo,
And
ala, may
ginger.
kulat na! Ito na siya! Nakatago sa ilalim.
Ground ginger? This is real ginger.
Yeah.
Nagtago.
How do you ground it?
Nagtago siya.
With
Kasi
Yeah.
melt talaga yung water. Melt na melt.
Oh, melt.
Will
Teka,
you
wait
call
muna.
that?
Wait, Dan, kasi
Alam
wait
mo
till this
kanina
is
pa,
done.
nakadalawang beses na akong reviews.
Wait muna. How can you make this ground?
Bakit may luya?
This is 3 teaspoons of ground ginger. Is this ground?
Baka nilulong kayo.
Ikaw yung tulog yan.
Like that?
Blender yun.
But doesn't just stay, ano?
Hindi, yung pag ganun, yun.
Ground? Is that ground? No, ground? I'm thinking it's like the powder.
Para siyang ano.
3 teaspoon eh.
Oo.
Kailan ba birthday nito?
Oh, may tanong sa, sa ginger.
Yeah, bakit may ganyan? Kadiri, baka hindi niyo magustuhan.
3 teaspoons of ground ginger.
Hindi, ano yan, parang, ano yung carrot cake, hindi pwede walang ginger.
Nang ganyan.
Carrot cake has ginger?
Uy, ang sarap
Oh, like
ng
this
carrot
then?
cake ni Ma'am Lindy. Bakit hindi pwede?
September 14, birthday ng kapatid ko.
Ma'am Lindy, diba?
2 banana slice.
September
Then,
14.
paki-slice 2 banana.
Innovate ng ganun, diba? Ba't di siya pwede magdala? Pero kumain tayo ng cake.
Anong slice? Ganun lang?
Oo, masarap daw, diba?
Ganun lang?
Oo, ganun.
Oo! Oo! Sarap. Pero mas the best sa akin yung mocha.
Actually, alam mo bro, wait muna. Kasi
Diba? Kasi ang tamis nun yung chocolate.
Later.
Ng white icing.
Ground na lang.
May icing na kulay blue.
Ay, yung ano.
Ground na lang to.
Yung mocha nga yun. Yung kulay blue. Yung may cream sa
Feel
loob.
mo
Pero
sa
kaya
loob,
Boy.
Hindi yan.
We need two,
Ala, hindi nga.
Nakagawa ng ano.
Yung white na icing. Yung unang
Nagawan.
yung chocolate, yun. Masarap siya pero matamis siya parang.
Ay, sorry.
Kasi, ginagawa mo kasi kanina, di ako nagagit simula na, yung kamay mo ginaganon mo.
Sige, okay.